All right, so social networks, they're, what is networking? You hear a lot, this is the buzzword now, is social networking. And the reality of it is, I don't think it's any different than the old school definition of networking. There's different avenues to get to the end goal, but the end goal is to connect with other people, to build relationships, and develop opportunities through those relationships. That's the whole purpose of networking. That's what it's always been. These tools are just a new way of communication, new way of connecting, and they're more efficient. So it's leveraging web-based services to connect with people faster and more efficiently. The older generations, when they think of networking, they think of things like Rotary, Junior League, Chamber of Commerce, and then just going out, making relationships, shaking hands. But with this newer generation, these are all the tools that they think of when they hear networking, because this is what they've grown up with. This is how they've interacted throughout adolescence, even, and then growing up in college. They were constantly connecting, organizing, communicating in these areas. I think what most firms tend to do with all of these is the easy thing, and that's lock it down and say, okay, we don't completely understand it, we don't know how this is going to work, so let's block everybody. Everybody's going to waste time. This is the same exact thing that happened with the internet when it first came around. We don't know where people are going to go. People are going to go out to terrible sites. They're going to get viruses, and so we saw firms locking it down. Then they figured out that they were at a strategic disadvantage because their people didn't have access to the vast information that their competitors' employees had. And so then, IT kind of figured out, well, we need to work with our people to figure out a way to let them access it in a secure way and make sure that they're using it in a professional manner as well, that works well with the firm's image, and keeps that image professional.